This week we'll be showing you how you can make some air dry clay Christmas ornaments for your tree. So just start by moving the clay around in your hands just to warm it up a bit, and then just roll it out into a sort of ½ centimetre thickness. And then collect any foliage you've got from around the house. Perhaps you've got some Christmas tree or some dried oranges here, and you just want to use a rolling pin just to carefully press those into the surface of the clay. And then I'm just using some cutters here to cut out some circles, choosing whereabouts I want the design, and then just using a cocktail stick to make a small hole in the top. So once they've dried, just use a bit of sandpaper to get rid of any rough edges, and I'm using some metallic gold paint here just to paint the whole ornament. And then just add some string or wool for the hanger and you have your finished ornament.